We on. What's up, world? It's JimmyIrvin on the beat. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a dark, melodic trap type beat. So first off, I got my tempo 145. Then I got a piano from Expand. Go ahead and open it. Start off with my root note, which is C. I'm in C. I'm gonna do C minor. So a trick to get real dark beats is these semitones. This right here. This note, whenever you see two notes that's close to each other like this, that's what give you that dark feel. So literally, I'm gonna build a chord real quick, and I'm gonna give you an example. Build this chord. Okay, and then one down. Let me see what this sounds like. Okay, so instead of that, I'm gonna just move this note down one, and it should give you a dark feel. See? Or you could just move this one up. And there you go. But let's add to it. Make sure this is a semitone. See, it already gave you that dark vibe. I'm gonna paste this over, and then let's add some more to it. Alright, that's cool. So from right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of these notes, like these middle notes that don't have a semitone or a note near them, because that's what's gonna give it a melodic type of feel. See, now we got a little melody right there. Let me add these bass notes. First, I'm gonna copy this, move it over. All right, let's make some bass notes. And if your beat sound too thin or your instrument sound thin, just add a bass note to them, especially a piano and stuff like that. Some pads, strings. All right, let's see. We're gonna go doom, semitone down, and then right here. Boom, boom, and then come up. Okay, that sound cool. I'm gonna strum these chords right here. So I'm gonna grab all of them and then push Alt S if you're on Windows and strum a little bit. And then you can grab everything by pushing Control A on Windows and then you push Alt R and it'll randomize your velocity so they won't sound stiff. Like right now it sounds stiff. See, if you push Alt R, it gives it more like a humanized feel, like if a human was playing it. Yeah, that's really it for this tutorial. Hope you guys learned stuff. If you did learn something, like it, comment on it, comment what you want me to do on my next video, and I'm gonna play the beat for you. It ain't mixed, but I'm gonna play it for you. That's that's it, y'all. I'm out.